Choose any ATM of your convenience and stand a chance to win gold sovereigns.
Lanka Pay.
The infamous drug trafficker and underworld figure Sanjeewa Samararatne alias Ganemulla Sanjeewa was gunned down on the 19th of February inside the Halfstop court complex. Up to date, 8 suspects have been nabbed over Ganemulla Sanjeewa's murder, with the suspect who allegedly acquired and provided the murder weapon also being among the arrested. Against this backdrop, the inquest into the murder of underworld figure Ganemulla Sanjeewa was conducted at the Colombo Chief Magistrates Court today. Police Constable Heva Patiranage Taranga, attached to the Keselwata police who was on duty at the courthouse on the day of the shooting, testified that court proceedings commenced at approximately 9:30 am and the cases of other inmates were taken up for hearing via Skype. The police constable said that Ganemulla Sanjeewa was brought into the courthouse at 9:40 am after the Skype connection had been interrupted. When the relevant case was taken up for hearing, the magistrate had asked the suspect Ganemulla Sanjeewa if he had placed a bond for the case. Ganemulla Sanjeewa had informed the court that he would not be placing a bond. Subsequently, the magistrate questioned the prison official as to why the suspect had been brought into court without a court order. The constable added that at that time, 3 to 4 gunshots were heard and a person dressed as an attorney was standing in front of the dock of the courtroom where Ganemulla Sanjeewa was present during the hearing of the case. The constable also stated that the judge was escorted to the chambers following the shooting. Subsequently, Priyantha Pushpakumara Samaranayaka, an attorney who was present at the courtroom at the time of the incident, also provided a statement related to the inquest. The attorney stated that he arrived at the premises at around 8:30 am and confirmed that a tall man entered the courtroom at the beginning of the proceedings with his face covered with a file. Samaranayaka clarified that he only saw his eyes and thought he was an officer affiliated with the Criminal Investigation Department or the Narcotics Control Unit. He further said that he witnessed the assailant opening fire at Ganemulla Sanjeewa and fleeing the scene after the incident. Police Constable Anura Vijayasiri, attached to the Paliagada Police Crime Division, also provided testimony today. Subsequently, the hearing of the case was adjourned until next Thursday, the 27th of February. In the meantime, the 25-year-old woman identified as Pinpura Devage Ishara Sewandi, who allegedly smuggled the firearm used for the shooting of Ganemulla Sanjeewa into the court premises, has not yet been located by the police. Sri Lanka police have released additional photographs of the female suspect and requested public assistance in apprehending the suspect in question. The public is requested to provide information regarding the suspect to the Director of the Colombo Crime Division via the telephone number 071 8591 727 and the officer in charge of the Colombo Crime Division via the number 071 859 1735. Additionally, the police announced that a cash reward will also be granted to any person providing information leading to the suspect's arrest. Against this backdrop, information was received yesterday that the suspect was in hiding in the Matugama area. Following this information, police security in the area has been heightened during both the day and night. Meanwhile, speaking to other Derana police media spokesperson, Senior Superintendent of Police Buddhika Manatunga revealed that the primary suspect of Ganemulla Sanjeewa's murder was recruited through Facebook. In addition, a suspect allegedly responsible for aiding and abetting the recent shooting incident in the Kottahen area, which claimed the life of one person, was arrested by the Colombo North Divisional Crime Investigation Bureau yesterday. The arrestee was identified as a 28-year-old resident of Modara. Further investigations revealed that he has close ties with an organized criminal and a drug trafficker operating from abroad. In other similar news, the police constable who allegedly aided the attempted escape of notorious organized criminal Nadun Chintaka alias Harakkata from CID custody will be detained for 90 days for further questioning. The suspected constable was extradited to Sri Lanka from India on the 20th of this month. Against this backdrop, Secretary to the Ministry of Defence, retired Air Vice Marshal Sampath Tuyakonta has issued an order for the immediate arrest of all deserters from the armed forces. The Defence Secretary confirmed that the relevant decision was taken due to the increased involvement of deserters from the armed forces in organised criminal activities.